Hi everyone, I'm Ilesh Mistry, Kentico MVP. Welcome to my Kentico Mistry Magics, which are short videos on Kentico hints and tips, which I hope you find useful. This Mistry Magic is about web part performance best practices. Here are a couple of tips on how to improve your web part configuration. I will use the Kentico repeater web part to show you my tips. The first tip is to reduce the web part control ID to be as small as possible. Also remember to add in a web part title. In doing this, it would render out the ID into the HTML, so keeping it as small as possible would be recommended. Another tip is to add different page types that you wish to use. This will help limit the scope the web part would need to cover. Okay, the next tip is to add a maximum nesting level to restrain the number of levels this web part would need to cover. Next up is to look at the columns property in the web parts. It is recommended to specify what columns you are going to use. By reducing the number of columns, it would reduce the size of your SQL query for the web parts to perform. It's very important to do this. Another tip to help with web part performance is to make sure you only use the check permissions option if you need to. Otherwise, leave it unchecked. Caching is really important in improving your web part performance. If you're using partial caching or cache dependencies, then make sure you utilize this section. The next tip is regarding view state. If your web part doesn't require this, remember to select the option to disable view state. The final web part performance tip is within the same section of the web part settings. This is to make sure if you are not using macros on the web part, to make sure you have the disable macros selected. So there you have it. Those were the Kentico web part performance best practice tips. I really hope you found them useful. Thank you for watching this Mistry Magic. If you have any feedback or suggestions for future Mistry Magics, then add a comment either below or on Twitter using the hashtag Mistry Magic. Goodbye.